In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record clip in ClickUp. If you've ever wanted to quickly show a workflow, explain a bug, or walk a teammate through a process without typing out a wall of text, ClickUp's built-in screen recorder, called Clip, makes that fast and simple. I'll guide you through getting to the right place, finding the recording tool, and choosing the right settings so your audio and video are clear from the start. First, head to your ClickUp workspace. Make sure you're signed in and on the page you want to show in your recording, whether that's a task, a dashboard, or a list. Before you go any further, tidy up your screen so only the relevant tabs and windows are visible. This keeps the focus on what matters and protects anything you don't intend to share. If you're presenting something with small text, consider briefly increasing your browser zoom for readability. It's also a good idea to close bandwidth-heavy apps and silence notifications to keep your recording smooth and distraction-free. Next, look toward the top of the ClickUp interface for the camera icon. It typically sits alongside other quick actions. Clicking this opens the Clip panel, which is your control center for recording. If you don't see the icon immediately, expand the window or hover near the top bar to reveal hidden controls. This icon is your shortcut to capturing a screen walkthrough without needing any external tools. Now, choose your recording options and approve microphone access. In the Clip panel, select what you want to capture your entire screen, a specific window, or just a browser tab based on how much you plan to show. If you want to include your face, turn on the webcam overlay. If not, leave it off. Select your microphone from the list so your narration is crisp. The first time you do this, your browser or operating system may ask for permission to use the microphone. Approve that so your voice is recorded. Take a moment to check your input level and speak at a normal volume. A quick test phrase helps you avoid being too quiet or clipping. Choose whether to include system audio if you're demonstrating something with sound. When everything looks good, click Start Recording. You'll usually see a brief countdown. Use that moment to take a breath and begin speaking clearly. Keep your mouse movements deliberate and your narration focused so viewers can follow along easily. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. Practice once or twice, and you'll be ready to create clear, helpful ClickUp clips whenever you need them.